Oh,
Hey guys, Ali from ALTA. How are you? Beautiful day here in Utah. We've been getting pounded by snow and we're loving it. This is what it's all about. Hey, I wanted to show you a new product release yet again. We have the new 4-pack Superior. We're calling it the E-Quattro. Right here, as you can see, it's a one-sided rack. And why we did that is still for the vans, you can get your primary door open without any kind of extension, which is just sweet. This way you can plug this in and carry up to 4 e-bikes on this with up to 60 pounds with these e-bike straps that we got. But let me tell you more about the color. We went with the desert tan, which is this nice flat sand color. We have this new brown that's called Bend Brown, and I'm talking Bend, Oregon. So we went with the baskets in that color, low bar in that color, and that combination has just been amazing. You know, you got the black top bar. We're only making 10 of these in this color combo because it's really hard to do these custom colors and manage the inventory. So initially when we release these products, we're gonna do some custom stuff to spice it up. But after that, it's gonna become the regular racks and you can select the color of your vertical post. We do have occasionally some of the tan hitches, but those are majority of the time in black. Let me tell you what you get with these racks. These are like pretty sweet racks, next level stuff, made for off-roading. As you already seen the videos with the Sanchez 6 rack, what we can do with it, jumping it over dunes with bikes and stuff like that. This is the next generation. This is basically a same rack, but one side, as I mentioned, is easier to manage. Still comes with the lock and hitch bolt, Excel hitch. As you come up, you got that sweet color with the gusseting system, longer bolt system, but you only have a single-sided gusseting that goes to the top bar. You have internal threading inside that top bar, which is unheard of. This is some high-tech technology that's happening here. We didn't bolt through, there's nothing back here. There's literally threads inside that top bar, and we're threading in, so this is nice and easily removed if you need to. The rack comes with your retractable straps and your e-bike weight support straps. These things are magic. Once these are around your pedals, you can basically adjust the weight load on the rack, on the basket itself, to relieve the weight off the basket. So you can keep the basket super light, but put the bike weight and mass and forces right on top bar like the way it's designed. Next, you have your gear hanger. Again, your helmets, your backpacks, after a ride. You want to hang some cooking utensils while you got the table plugged in to do whatnot. These gear hangers are awesome. You know, instead of just throwing it on a muddy day, you take your water pack off, your helmet off, and you throw it on the ground and it gets all nasty and trashed. Hang it right here. And that way you keep it nice and clean. It dries out before you take off and take them off and throw them in a vehicle so they're nice and stored. But again, this is the new E-Quattro. That's what we're calling it. We're gonna put that on the website probably here in the next few days. But if you do want one of these, you can contact us directly and reserve one of these 10 units. That's it. We're doing 10 units in this color. After that, it's going back to the normal colors and black baskets. Hope you find this video helpful. This is some revolutionary stuff that we're building here. Really cool. We're super proud of it. Engineering galore. And this is Ali from ALTA coming to you from Salt Lake City, Utah. Have a great day, y'all.